Hey guys, Mr. B here again, bringing you another math video. This one on solving logs. This one's a little bit different than the last one that I did, and I'll explain why now when we get to a certain step. So again, the first thing is try and simplify using our rules of logs. So we're subtracting here. So what we want to do is we want to divide what's inside the log functions. So log of 2, and then x plus 7, 5x plus 7, divided by x plus 3. Really important note, guys, when you're using the divide rule is that we're not dividing the logs themselves, we're dividing what's inside the logs. So that's really important. So in the last video, when we got to a step similar to this, what we did was we had logs on both sides. We don't have that in this case. What we need to do in this case is change the exponential form. So if you remember, the base of my log becomes the base of my exponential. What the log is equal to becomes my exponent. So 2 to the 5 is equal to, and then what's inside my log is what the exponent's equal to. So 5x plus 7 over x plus 3. So it's really, really important to be able to do that step. Alright? Okay, so let's see. 2 to the 5. So 2 to the 5 is 32. And then we have 5x plus 7 all over x plus 3. So then what we can do is we can cross multiply here and solve for x. So I have 32, whoops, 32 x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 7. So then I'm going to have 32x, whoops, 32x times, and I don't want to make any mistakes in this video, 96, should have known that off the top of my head, is equal to 5x plus 7, so that's going to be 27x is equal to 89, oops, or x is equal to 89 over 27. So, actually, negative 89. That should have been negative 89. Sorry. Because when you take 96 over, it's going to become negative. Subtract it. So then what we can do is we can look at our restrictions. So let's just approximate this a little bit just so maybe it makes it a little bit easier. 27 is about negative 3.3. So in that ballpark. So let's go back and look at our restrictions. So if we look at our restrictions, really what we have is 5x plus 7 must be greater than 0, or x must be greater than 7 over 5, or in this case, x must be greater than negative 3. So if you look at our answer, which was about negative 3.3, it fails both our restrictions. So then what we can say is when that occurs, it's not nice to have to occur, but basically what we have to say is that there's no solution. So, well, the most important thing is to recognize with an example like this, guys, you have to change the exponential form, this step right here. The mistake that students make sometimes is just taking what's here and letting it equal 5. Don't make that mistake. And I think actually in your notes, this one, I might have put the workings down. I might have made a mistake in the workings. I think there was a 25 when it should have been a 32. So make sure you change that. Alright, good luck.